Hi, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglarenest.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and easy little button charms. And you can use these on a variety of projects. You can use them on the bottom of the tags that you make. You can use these for journals. You can slip a ribbon through here and just tie it on the handle of a gift bag or something like that. That would be really cute. So, I mean, there's so many different things you can do with these. And believe it or not, these make really cute, fun earrings. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need some 4-hole buttons, okay? I have a big giant container of buttons here that I've collected over the years, and some I've bought in thrift stores, and others were from my grandmother's and my mother's sewing kits. So you can use 4-hole buttons. You can use 13, 14, 15, or 16 millimeter. Those are about right. Okay. And then you're going to need, for each button charm, you're going to need 4 of the 8 millimeter jump rings. Okay. And then you're going to need 3 1-inch eye pins. All right. And these are a nice strong gauge. And if you're going to turn these into earrings, you're going to need for each earring a 5 millimeter jump ring. Okay. And also some little ear wires. Okay. All right. Now, you can do certain themes, like if you want to do all Christmas themes or all spring themes, you can do that. You can mix them. Anything that you would like to do. Now, this is kind of a mixture of acrylic and glass beads. The white pearls that you see here, those are all pearls from the Dollar General that they have hanging up in a little bag. I'm sure you've seen them before. And these are lightweight acrylic. And I believe these are 8 millimeter. I didn't measure them, but let's see, roughly. Oh, surprising. Okay. Yeah, 8 millimeter. Yeah, that's exactly what they are. Now, then I chose 6 millimeter glass beads for the top and the bottom. I didn't put any type of bead cap or anything like that, you know. So I just made them straight up like that, and I think they turned out really cute. Now these are acrylic beads, and the bottom ones I bought from Michael's a while back by the package, and they were in the bead landing boxes. You know, the clear boxes where you can see all the beads through them. I think they're like about $10 a package. Well, at least they were back then. I don't know what they are now. And then these are some AB flower beads at the top that I purchased from some seller on eBay. I'm not exactly sure, though. It's been a while. So, you know, they're very simple. They're nothing fancy. You can also pick up pearls in 4 different sizes. Yes, these are glass pearls from the Dollar Tree. I picked up a couple of packages of these. I was surprised they had them, and they actually look very nice. There's 135 pieces in there. So you can go through your bead stash and see what you have in the way of anywhere from 4 millimeter to 8 millimeter beads, acrylic and glass, and, you know, see what looks good together. All right. I try to match up the top button with the colors that I used in the actual bead charms, just to make it look really nice. So I'm going to hold this one up right here, like that. And I put this here in case you want to slip a ribbon through there, like I said. But I'm going to make these into earrings because they're actually really cute earrings. Now I'll go ahead and start by grabbing 3 of the Dollar General pearls. Oh, look at that. That's hooked together. Ah, that's funny. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. And then these glass beads I'm putting on are actually Czech glass beads. And I'm going to be putting 6 of these out. Okay. All right, let me straighten the camera a little bit here. Move it upwards just a tiny bit. Okay. So I'm going to start by putting this on my 1-inch head pin, like that. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just bend it right here. And then I'm going to take this and just kind of roll that back like that. And give it a little back bend. Push it forward again. Straighten it up. And that looks pretty good. So that's good to go. All right. And I'm going to do the same thing with the next one, the second one. Give me your ideas on how you would use these as well. I would love to hear your ideas in the comment section below. I'm definitely going to be making some Christmas ones up, just to have them handy to put on a project or a tag. I say tags because that seems to be what I make a lot of during the holidays, are the Christmas gift card holders and things, you know, and it just makes them look extra special. And then the last one. There we go. I'm going to bend this and then come back. This is a very strong gauge. I purchased these 1-inch head pins from Panda Express, but it was on Amazon. There was a whole bunch of them. Different colors, different sizes that came. I think it was called Panda Haul Elite or something like that. But there was a ton of them. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my jump rings here and open this up, and I'm going to slide one of these on. I dropped it. Sorry about that. It's kind of hard sometimes seeing around the camera. Alright, so we have one down. And a feel for that. Yeah. If you don't have any jump rings, Michael's has some nice jump rings. And they do have curbside pickup. Okay. And then the last one here. And we're going to hook this on. I love wearing dangle earrings anyway, because I have long hair, so it really shows up when they're dangles. If I put on anything shorter, you can't see it under my hair. Okay. And then we're going to put a little 5mm jump ring on. Whoop, I dropped that too. Butterfingers today. Okay, and then I'm going to put that at the very top last hole. And then I'm going to close that up. So you can see now this little 5mm jump ring is on here, but I'm just going to go ahead and kind of give it a wiggle to make sure that it's closed. Okay, let's see. That's really strange. Well, that's okay. All right, so now we're going to take one of our little ear wires and I'm going to bend that back like that. And I'm just going to take this like that and bend this right here. And see, we have our first pair of little dangle earrings. And they're so cute on, they really are. And these little jump rings, I noticed when I had these on, they almost look like chainmail. I don't know why, but it just kind of reminds me of it. So everything is already put together here with the exception of the little 5mm jump ring. So I'm going to open that, and I'm going to, oops, this is a really strong gauge. I'm going to go ahead and just slip it onto this. Might as well since I have it, huh? And then slip that on and then close it. Okay. Alright. It's kind of hard for me to see, but this is what they ended up looking like, and I think they turned out really cute. So you can turn these into earrings or leave them just as charms. It's totally up to you. And that's about it. So this was a really easy tutorial. I hope you have a lot of fun with it. And I'd love to see some of your ideas, like I said, and please write them down in the comment section below. So with that said, God bless each and every one of you, and take care. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. We have everyone home. So it's a little difficult to record tutorials without any kind of noise in the background. It's just not going to happen. So with that said, you take care, and God bless you. Bye-bye.